In today's video, I will guide you through how to fix the Roblox Switch to R15 after to play emote problem. Many players face this issue when trying to use emotes even though everything seems fine. But don't worry, this method is 100% working, safe and updated. So make sure to watch the video till the end. First, why are you facing this problem? Roblox emotes only work on R15 avatars. If your avatar set to R6, Roblox will show this error message, switch to R15 avatar to play emote. Now, let's fix this problem. First, open your Roblox app, then tap on this avatar option. Now tap here. From this list, select body shapes. Now here, scroll down. Here you will find the R15 mode. Tap here to switch to R15 mode. And that's it. You can now use Roblox emotes without facing any errors. Now just open any game and do an emote. You will see it works perfectly. If it's still not working, remember many Roblox games do not support emotes. So make sure to try using emotes in a different game like the one I am demonstrating now. And that's it. That's how you can fix the Roblox Switch to R15 after to play emote problem. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment below if you have any other issues. Thank you.